Right, this is the rear wheel, front wheel, and I've already just put a little bit on, but I stopped. Basically I have a bottle here, and it isn't WD-40, it's actually just hot water and some pretty decent washing up liquid. I just wanted to show you like how easy it is to clean it. Just simple washing up liquid, hot water. If you can see, it's already lifting up. Pretty good spray bottle, and then you can get right in there. Simple, easy. You can see down here what's already just lifting all that dirt up in rust. Let it set for a little bit, and then go over it with a cloth to get all the dust off, and then whatever else you want to go, sandpaper, a drill bit, etc. But even look, this is the front spindle. It works on that too. You can see straight away it's lifting off. Even on this rusty part here, if you just keep going, it'll just cut through it. About a tablespoon worth of washing up liquid, and that should do it. This is for the rear wheel maintenance. Alright, that's just another handy tip.